externally, the CL2 maintained the familiar aspect of RHA, without showing external signs of the new technology inside. With 3 cable options, one of which is a wireless bottleneck configuration with USB-C charging, these simply look like a pair of finely polished flagship headphones on the same line as the $1,000 AKG N5005. RHA is certainly pricing its new top-tier product in that same category, asking for $899.95/£799.95 for the Plan2 CL2. But the inside is where these new ears are set to differentiate. The ultra-thin 16-micrometer diaphragm inside the CL2 was part of the most compact planar magnetic controller ever launched, which led RHA to 4 years to develop. The casing of each headset is made of scratch-resistant zirconium dioxide, which sounds like the same ceramic material as that used in the previous high-end RHA pair, the CL1 Ceramic. Using a standard MMCX cable connection, the planar CL2 comes with a pair of high-strength braided cables, one that ends in a balanced 2.5 mm connector and the other that has the classic 3.5 mm plug. Your wireless gooseneck option is intriguing, promising 12-hour battery life and a flat-to-full recharge in just 1.5 hours. The claim of resistance is impressive if we consider that flat magnetic headphones usually require more power than conventional dynamic controllers.